Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to see how we can create resources in multiple region. Okay, so multiple provider configuration. So in order to create resources in multiple region, we have to use multiple provider section as well, and we have to use the aliases. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you in the real time as well. So let me copy this script. Okay, and I have already created multiple provider.tf. Let me paste the script here, and we are going to create resources in US East 1 and US East 2. Okay, so provider is AWS and region is US East 1, and another region will be US East 2. Okay, so here we have to change it also. Okay, so we have already changed this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to define our resource block. Okay, so we are going to create EC2 instance. So AWS underscore instance. Here you can see instance. Okay, so let me give the name prod -web. Okay, so I am going to give the name prod web to that instance. So here we have to define provider, that will be directly AWS. Like for one region we are defining, that is US East 1. Okay, and AMI I am going to use, I have already copied that AMI. So US East 1, I have this AMI, so let me just copy it, and I am going to use that AMI here. Okay, then we have to select our instance type, that will be t2.micro. Okay, then after that I am going to define tags as well. Okay, so tags, and we have to define in curly braces, we have to give name here. Okay, and name will be in double quotes. So I am going to define the name is prod web server. Okay, so we have defined this section. For this will be creating one EC2 instance that will having name prod web server in US East 1. So let me just copy this section quickly. Okay, and what we have to change here, we have to change prod web the name as well. So I am going to give the name as dev. Okay, and here in provider we have to use AWS dot east, whatever region you are going to create. Okay, so because we are creating resources in multiple region, we have to define the provider block here as well. Whenever you are going to create resources in multiple region, so you can see here I have also defined the provider region. Okay, that is AWS, and like it's going to create resources in another region, that is US East 2. Okay, so we have like we are using provider block, and that value having AWS dot east. Okay, so let me change the AMI as well. So I will go here and copy the AMI ID. Okay, just paste it and t2.micro, that will be fine. And I'm going to remove the name. Okay, so I will be giving name dev. Okay, dev web server. Okay, now we have to save our configuration. So we have successfully written our script to create EC2 instance in multiple region, that will be North Virginia, US East 1 and US East 2, that will be Ohio region. Okay, so whenever you are going to create resources in multiple region, you have to use aliases in your provider configuration. So you have to remember this. Okay, so let me open the terminal here and let me run Terraform init. So this Terraform init will initialize the backend. Okay, so our backend is getting initialized. So let's wait for some time. So it's taking time because we have not defined a specific version here in our provider block, like a specific version for Terraform. So it will be fetching the latest version of the Terraform from web. That's why it's taking bit time. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Go here and let me review. See, so we have to use aliases multiple provider configuration. Okay, to create multiple configuration for a given provider, include multiple provider block within the same provider name. For each additional null default configuration, use the alias meta argument to provide an extra name segment. Okay, for example, you can see this, we are using this example. Okay, and you can define the Terraform version here as well. Default provider configuration we have. What is provider block and what is variable block, we have already discussed, right? So that's it. So let me go back and see. Yeah, it's already initialized. So let me run Terraform plan. So Terraform plan will visualize what our script is going to do. Okay, so you can see plan 2 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy, means it is going to create two EC2 instance in different region as we have defined in our Terraform script. So now let me run Terraform apply. Yes, I want to create. So you can see our EC2 instance is getting created. Okay, so let's wait for some time, then I will go in AWS console and I will show you in the different region that we have created this EC2 instance. Okay, so let's wait for some time. So you can see AWS instance dev web creating, AWS instance prod web creating. So our instance is getting created and it's taking 30-second time. So it's still initializing. So yeah, one instance got created, that is prod web, and it will it's creating dev web instance. Okay, so apply complete resources to added, 0 change, 0 destroyed. So I am here in AWS console and you can see I have like a 2 instance that is deleted. So let's refresh it. You can see dev web server. Okay, you can see the name, right? Dev web server, whatever name we have given here, right? And the region is, I am showing you Ohio. This region is Ohio. US is 2. US is 2, right? So go back to the North Virginia region and let me show you. We have EC2 instance running here as well. Okay, so prod web server. So we have successfully created resources in multiple regions using aliases, and we have successfully written our Terraform script to create multiple resources in multiple region. Okay, so I will whatever resources I am creating, I am pushing the code into the GitHub, so I will provide you the link in description. Okay, so don't worry about that, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then do let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.